From struggle to success, a marketer's playbook. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's close to my heart: how to turn those inevitable struggles into roaring successes. Especially for all you hustlers, marketers, and entrepreneurs out there. Let's be real, building a business from the ground up is tough. It's a grind, a hustle, a constant uphill battle. And keeping it alive, that's a whole other beast. But here's the thing, those struggles, those moments where you feel like giving up, they're not roadblocks, they're freaking stepping stones. They're the fire that forges your resilience, the challenges that push you to think differently, to innovate, to come out stronger on the other side. And trust me, the view from the top is worth every ounce of sweat and hustle you put in. Digital marketing, your secret weapon. Look, I'm gonna be blunt. Digital marketing isn't just some fancy buzzword. It's the lifeblood of your business in today's world. It's the key to unlocking massive growth, to connecting with your audience on a level that was impossible just a few years ago. First things first, you gotta know where your people hang out online. Are they scrolling through Instagram, engaging in heated debates on Twitter? Or maybe they're glued to YouTube like it's the last source of entertainment on earth. Find your tribe, because that's where your message needs to be. And don't be afraid to experiment. Test different platforms, different messaging, different creatives. See what sticks, what resonates, what gets people talking. This isn't a set it and forget it game. It's about constantly iterating, optimizing, and refining your approach based on real-time data and feedback. Remember, attention is the most valuable currency today. You're competing with a million other distractions, so your digital marketing game needs to be on point. You gotta cut through the noise, grab people by the eyeballs, and give them a reason to care about what you're saying. And that's where authenticity comes in. People can smell BS from a mile away, so ditch the corporate jargon and talk to your audience like they're real people. Be relatable, be engaging, be yourself. Because at the end of the day, people don't buy from businesses, they buy from people they trust, people they connect with, people who get them. So show them who you are, what you stand for, and why they should give a damn. This is your chance to build a brand that's not just a logo on a screen, but a community, a movement, a force to be reckoned with. So get out there, dominate the digital landscape, and show the world what you're made of. Remember, the digital world is vast and ever-changing, but with the right strategy, you can navigate it successfully. Stay updated with the latest trends, attend webinars, and never stop learning. The more you know, the better you can adapt and thrive. Knowledge is power, and in the digital age, it's your most potent weapon. Equip yourself with the best tools and insights, celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep pushing forward. The digital realm is your playground, so make the most of it. Embrace the F word. Failure is your friend. Let's talk about the big F word, failure. It's a word that often sends shivers down our spines. Yeah, that's right, I said it. Failure. We're all scared of it. But here's the truth. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a damn prerequisite. It's the stepping stone to greatness. You're gonna screw up, you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna fall flat on your face. It's inevitable. But you know what? That's okay. It's part of the journey. In fact, it's more than okay, it's essential. It's the crucible in which your character is forged. Every failure, every setback, every "I can't believe that just happened" moment is a chance to learn, to grow, to come back stronger. It's an opportunity in disguise. It's like getting a free education in entrepreneurship, but instead of tuition fees, you pay with your ego. So embrace the F word. Wear it like a badge of honor. Don't shy away from it. Don't let it paralyze you. Face it head on. Analyze it, dissect it, figure out what went wrong and why. Turn it into a learning experience, because in those lessons, in those failures, lies the seed of your future success. It's where innovation is born. Think of it like this. Every time you fail, you're eliminating one more path that doesn't lead to where you want to go. You're getting closer to your goal. You're narrowing down your options, refining your approach, getting closer and closer to the winning formula. It's a process of elimination. So go out there, take risks, make mistakes, and fail gloriously. Celebrate your failures as much as your successes. Because the only way to truly fail is to let fear hold you back from even trying. Embrace failure and let it propel you forward. Paid ads, your shortcut to the fast lane. Listen up, entrepreneurs. In the digital age, paid advertising is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Think of it as your secret weapon to cut through the noise, reach your target audience directly and see real, tangible results. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising are gold mines for businesses of all sizes. Why? Because they allow you to put your message in front of people who are actively searching for products or services just like yours. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. Start small, experiment with different targeting options, and track your results meticulously. The beauty of paid advertising is that it provides instant feedback, allowing you to refine your campaigns and maximize your return on investment. Remember, paid advertising is not about throwing money at a problem and hoping for the best. It's about strategic targeting, compelling messaging, and constant optimization. Chapter 4. Adapt or Die, the entrepreneur's mantra. We live in a world that's changing faster than ever before. Technology is evolving, markets are shifting, and consumer behavior is becoming increasingly unpredictable. In this environment, the ability to adapt is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a matter of survival. As entrepreneurs, we need to be agile, flexible, and always willing to pivot when necessary. Clinging to outdated strategies or refusing to acknowledge changing market dynamics is a recipe for disaster. Persistence is equally crucial. Building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments when you want to throw in the towel. But it's during these times that your persistence will be tested. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Hold on to your vision, stay focused on your goals, and never, ever give up. Chapter 5 Partnerships. Choose wisely, build strong. Look, I'm all about building something great, but I'm also a realist. Building a successful business is no small feat. You can't do everything yourself. It's simply impossible to wear all the hats and expect to thrive. You need a team, a tribe, people who share your vision and are ready to hustle alongside you. These are the people who will help you turn your dreams into reality. And sometimes that means bringing in partners who can complement your skills and fill in the gaps. But here's the thing. Choosing a business partner is like choosing who you're going to be stuck in a foxhole with. It's a decision that requires careful consideration. You want someone who's got your back, who shares your values, and who you can trust when the going gets tough. This trust is the foundation of a strong partnership. Before you even think about signing on the dotted line, make sure you're aligned on the big things: your vision for the business, your core values, your risk tolerance, and your exit strategy. These elements are crucial for long-term success, because if you're not on the same page from the start, things are going to get messy real quick. Misalignment can lead to conflicts and setbacks. And for God's sake, get everything in writing. A verbal agreement is not enough. I don't care if it's your best friend, your sibling, or your soulmate, a solid partnership agreement is non-negotiable. It ensures that everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. It protects everyone involved and sets clear expectations for the future. This clarity is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive partnership. Chapter 6. Your team. Invest in A players. Let's talk about your team, the heart and soul of your business. You can have the greatest product in the world, but without a solid team executing your vision, it's all for nothing. Building a team is more than just filling positions. It's about finding individuals who align with your company culture, share your passion, and bring their A game every single day. Remember, A players attract A players. When you invest in top talent, you're not just hiring for a specific role, you're investing in the future of your business. Chapter 7. Social media, your megaphone to the world. Social media is more than just posting selfies and sharing cat videos. It's a powerful tool for building brand awareness, connecting with your target audience, and driving real business results. But here's the catch. Authenticity is key. People can spot a fake from a mile away. So ditch the corporate jargon and focus on creating content that's real, relatable, and provides value to your audience. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality, your quirks, and what makes your brand unique. People buy from people, so let your guard down and show them who you really are. Chapter 8. Celebrate the small wins. Fuel your fire. Look, the entrepreneurial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day grind and lose sight of the bigger picture. That's why it's crucial to celebrate the small wins along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. It's a testament to your hard work, your dedication, and your unwavering belief in your vision. So take the time to acknowledge these victories, to savor the moment, and to recharge your batteries. Celebrating small wins isn't about being complacent, it's about maintaining momentum. It's about fueling your fire, boosting your morale, and reminding yourself that you're capable of achieving great things. Chapter 9. Resilience, your armor against the storm. Let's be real, the entrepreneurial journey is paved with obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. It's during these challenging times that your resilience will be put to the test. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to learn from your mistakes, and to keep moving forward even when the going gets tough. It's the unwavering belief in your vision, the refusal to give up on your dreams, and the courage to keep pushing forward even when the odds are stacked against you. Building resilience is a journey, not a destination. It's about developing mental toughness, cultivating a positive mindset, and surrounding yourself with a supportive network of mentors, advisors, and fellow entrepreneurs who understand the unique challenges you face. Chapter 10. Pay it forward, lift as you climb. Look, success is so much sweeter when you can share it with others. As entrepreneurs, we have a responsibility to pay it forward, to lift as we climb, and to create opportunities for those who come after us. Whether it's mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs, sharing your knowledge and expertise, or giving back to your community, there are countless ways to make a positive impact. Remember, the more you give, the more you receive. When you help others succeed, you not only create a ripple effect of positivity, but you also solidify your own legacy as a leader and a visionary. Outrow, keep crushing it. Building a business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be hurdles, detours, and moments where you question everything. But remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. By combining adaptability, persistence, and strategic digital marketing, you can transform obstacles into powerful growth opportunities. Embrace the journey, stay true to your vision, and never stop hustling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more insights on resilience and growth in marketing and entrepreneurship. Comment below if you have any questions or if there are topics you'd like us to cover next.